Well, I guess you can see that I finished the sluice. And what I ended up doing is I took a regular common lawn sprinkler and I put a shut-off valve to connect it to my hose, and that way I can regulate the amount of water that sprays out. And all I do is I take a scoop, small trowel, and pour the concentrate clay mixture in front of it, and then it runs down the sluice. I left it at the full length of 8 feet, and I have it spilling off into a tub here because I wanted to be able to pan the runoff here and to see if the sluice was missing any gold. And yesterday, after building it, I did a test run. I did a half a bucket, half a 5-gallon bucket, and it ended up netting me 5 little pieces of gold, which I ended up, and then I decided to sample the tailings in the tub, and I got very little black sand and no gold, and the concentrate that I had saved and panned netted me probably a half a dozen tablespoons of black sand with the gold. So in other words, obviously it's doing a good job, and I actually did another run and the same results. The black sand ends up staying in the sluice and none of it goes into the tub. So anyway, I just thought I'd bring that up. I also thought that, instead of the sheetrock screws, a staple gun with like 3/4 inch staples would probably do a quicker job of putting the sluice together. Anyway, it works real good, and like I said, I ended up panning it. I have one of the blue wheel machines over here, and I have to make sure that I don't put any clay in it because it plugs the filter. Even though it works great and gets almost all the gold, let's see, the sluice over here, just the wood and the screws and the sluice was less than $20. So and that's including the sprinkler with the valve. Anyway, of course, the blue wheel was a lot more money than that. Great little gadget, I'll tell you. I'm gonna have to find out. I'm gonna start cutting lengths off it to see how short I can make it before it starts losing some of the gold. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoys this. Cheap to make.